Everybody, it's Newfie from Newfie Loves Luxury. It's been a little bit since I filmed, but I've had surgery and Christmas and New Year's, and yeah, today we're going to be unboxing Louis Vuitton, so stay tuned for that. It's something that I've been really wanting for about 4 years, and I was inspired or influenced to buy it actually from another YouTuber that I'd seen unboxing it, and I was just so jealous. So let's get into today. First of all, I just want to explain I'm talking a little bit strange and I have a little bit of makeup on. I had surgery for my nose actually. I had a growth in there prior to Christmas, on the 20th of Christmas. It was sort of a quick thing. So I'm still recovering. I'm still not feeling that well, and I'm very, very, very sore here. Obviously my nose, the glasses hurt sitting on there. I've got a headache today, but I really wanted to come and film this video. So yeah, haven't been feeling very well. So between me and my son, I tell you, this house is just, yeah. But I hope that everybody had a fantastic Christmas and a very happy New Year. As I said, I'm probably talking funny. I do apologise. I just have a lot of pressure around my face and my head. Yeah, so anyway, it's been an ordeal, and I think there's a bit more to come. Okay, so Colormania, Louis Vuitton. So I think if you watch my past videos, I bought the makeup case that I was inspired to buy from Meredith, and it was so amazing. When I watched her and I seen how excited she was, I was like, oh my gosh, wow, okay, I've got to go and look at this. And so I bought that, and I think that's in another unboxing. But then I couldn't stop thinking about the suitcase and how beautiful it was. And then there's another unboxing where I bought this Speedy 35. And then I loved the bag, but it wasn't quite big enough. Look, I really loved it. Not quite big enough for overnight, or say if I wanted to go to Bali just for a few days, or, you know, that sort of week trip. So this might give you a clue into what I bought. So I've already unboxed it, so this is more of a showing you what I unboxed. And the reason for that is when I had surgery, I was probably about 5 days in, and I'll put a couple of photos. Ugh, trigger warning, look away, they're terrible. But the lovely sales associate, Bonnie in Collins Street, actually had a courier come and pick it up from the store and bring it back to here. Now I live about 2 hours away from that store, so that was just such a beautiful thing for her to do. Cheer me up, because I didn't have Christmas, I had Christmas in bed this year. So that was so lovely. So this means a lot to me that she would do that, especially after my Singapore experience. Go check that out. Anyway, let me grab it. It's sitting here. You probably can see it in the background. The box was huge. Oh, I gave it to one of my sisters so she could store things into it. But anyway, here is the big bag. It's huge. I don't think I've ever had a dust bag this big. Anyway, drawstring. This is also a nice feeling dust bag. Yeah, sometimes theirs is not. Oh, I have another unboxing too. Sitting in bed shopping. Ooh. My dog's going to bark, sorry. Let's get this out. I'm very, very excited. Every time I smile, my nose hurts. So, stop. Okay. Woo. Okay. I shouldn't hold it like that. Let me get this. So I've ordered the insert because I don't like, I know a lot of people do, this bag. I liked it to be hard at the bottom. So I'll give you a close-up in a minute. This is the Speedy 50 in the Colormania, and so it's the pink. It's with the silver hardware, which I like because this is something that I will use for travel, and I will use it for a really long time. It's not something I ever will sell. To be honest, I don't have that many bags, and the bags I do have, I've really only sold 2 bags. I kind of regretted it, but not. Anyway, that's a whole nother thing. So I am standing, which is a little bit awkward, but this was so big I had to. Let me come up and give you a bit of a closer up. Get my face out. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. I still love it. It's the side. And I guess the back. Is that the back? Is the print upside down? Yeah. You know how it wraps around. So I'll go back. It's the other side with the D-ring. And yeah, with the print up the right way. And the beautiful pink handles and the pink leather tag. So these are all leather and this is canvas, which is what I wanted. That's the beautiful... I didn't get a hot stamp because I was unwell, as you can see. My nose is still swollen and I was in bed, but I guess I could at another stage, maybe? Oh, the zip's beautiful. I love that. So inside is also the beautiful pink, as you can see. It does have, I'm trying to do it this way, it does have a pocket. It's not one of the ones, you know, sometimes they pull out, like in the Keepall, the Neverfulls, but this one's actually built in, but it's a zip pocket. Oh, I don't know if I'm getting that. This is very awkward. Sorry about my filming. I'm not sure. See the zip in there? Yeah. And it also comes with a leather strap, a pink, which I love. I really love. And I'm going to try to put this on, even though I don't have my organizer for this as yet. I'll show you again. I'll do a more in-depth review once I use it, because I'm going up to the Grampians, so that's Halls Gap next week, and I plan on taking this, so we'll see how we go. So the strap, which makes this, I guess, because this is from the men's collection, but I guess it would make it the bandoulière. And just before I put this on, I'll come and show you the strap. I love that it has this. And it's adjustable, and it's also the silver hardware, which I don't have many things with silver hardware because I think mostly the women's line is gold, which I love. And I probably wear more gold, but I also do wear white gold or silver. This is my Hermes nail polish. It's a whole nother story. And I've got it adjusted onto, is it the lowest? The lowest setting at the moment. And I can actually smell a little bit with my nose. Isn't that exciting? I tell you, that operation, so painful. I've had a few surgeries, unfortunately. It was the most painful surgery. I just couldn't breathe. You can't breathe. Oh, anyway, let's keep talking about Louis. So here we go. A bit of pink in my top, probably not the most appropriate. I'll stand back as much as I can. So this is with the strap. I'm going to put it on crossbody. Of course, I don't have anything in it, so it's, you know, try and step back a little bit more. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a good size for me. I don't think it's overbearing. I was worried it would be too big. I never wanted a 50 because I truly believed, that probably could come up one. I truly believed that it would be too big, and then the bigger it is, the more you pack in it, and then the heavier it is, right? And then the heavier it is, the more I can't carry it, and then my husband will have to end up carrying it. Not ideal. I'll put that strap up a bit, so I'll try and step back now. Yeah, that's definitely better. Could probably even come up a bit more, to be honest. I love the adjustable straps. I wish all the handbags had that. So, how awesome is that? And I guess, you know, you can still I'm sorry that I don't have much room here. You can still top carry it. You can put it in your arms, but I think that would be really heavy once it's got things in it. And I guess the other way you could do it is just put it on your shoulder. See? So, I have to say, the one thing I don't like it about handbags, I don't like it about travel bags, is having a dark interior. I can't see things in there, and it actually irritates me. So I absolutely love the pink interior. I adore it. Now I know this is going to get used. It's going to have wear and tear, and that's okay. It's a travel bag. It's meant to be a bag that you use. But why not do it in style, hey? I just think it's fabulous. And to be off camera, I remember this that I bought. So now I have a matching set. No, I love this. I've already used this once. I didn't get this in time to use when I went to hospital. I don't know if I would have taken it into the hospital. Let me just put that on my shoulder. And I'll just give you another look at this. Do I have anything in it? Oh, I do. So this as well has the pink interior, which matches the bag. This is my old, I think it's one of the first things I bought. One off. I bought a handbag first, but one of my first makeup cases from Louis Vuitton. And, you know, for those that watch, I don't like the Vachetta or Vachetta or whatever it's called, VVC. But it only had a little bit on it, and it has gone that sort of nice honey colour. Sorry, my dogs are barking. So, yeah, this is old. I don't even know why I'm showing you this, to be honest. Wish this had pink, then it'd be a big matching set. Gosh, it's very dirty, sorry. But it's got the, I suppose, beige colour, cream colour interior, which I also like because it's light. And I like that you can wipe this. I've cleaned this on multiple occasions. It's just sitting in there for storage, really, because I know I'm going away just to relax and recover a little bit more, but into the mountains that I love. I just love the mountains. I'm a very country girl. So, I just wanted to show you, I'll do a more in-depth review and I'll show you some packing in here. But I wanted to show you what I got because 4 years I've wanted to get a travel bag. And now I feel like when they brought this collection out, it was like it was meant for me and for all the girls that, no, not girls, just anybody, because this is the men's collection, that love this pink colour. I just love it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with these pieces. I can't tell you. Anyway, that is it for today's video. And as I said, I'm really sorry about my nose. I hope you all had a wonderful holidays, and I will be back with another unboxing very soon because I have ordered something, sitting in bed unwell. Oh, you're scrolling through things. I'm like, stop buying things. This year, 2024, I have to be better, but I'm still going to put up a list of the things that I would like. But yeah, look, I'm so happy with this Colorama. I assume these are still available at the moment. But if you were thinking about it and thinking the 50, like me for years, the 50 is just too big, I'm telling you it's not. It's a fabulous size. It's a carry-on. You can put this on the carry-on. And these colours, wow. And the quality, I love it. I'm so in love with this. And it really is thanks to Meredith because she opened this one and that got me inspired. And I'm so happy with it. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my baby channel. And I will see you all soon. Bye.